Hello friends, I am Sanket Sawant from SYB Tech Mechanical Engineering. I am here to give presentation on detailed manufacturing process of connecting rod. Here is the introduction. The purpose of this assigned project is to define the product technique of selecting component used in automotive industry. In this case, the component is a connecting rod for an internal combustion engine. A connected rod is a rigid member which connects a piston to a crank for crankshaft in a reciprocating engine. Together with crank, it forms a simple mechanism that converts reciprocating motion into rotating motion. So here is the flowchart of manufacturing process. In this flowchart, the in general method of manufacturing is explained in details. In manufacturing, first is the material selection, second pattern making, third step is selection of casting process, fourth step is product after casting process. After that, finish the product and test the product. End of the product is ready to dispatch. So here is the details of material selection. The material used for manufacture of connecting rod used in Chevrolet block generation V weight 8.2 L, that is Chevrolet performance connecting rod in forged. Characteristics of AISI 4340 forged steel are heat treatable, low iron carbon alloy steel, nickel chromium, molybdenum. Addition of molybdenum prevents the steel from being sustainable to temperature brittleness. Utilized where other alloy steel do not have the hardenability to give the required strength. May be heat treated to high strength level while maintaining good toughness. Good balance of tensile strength, yield strength, toughness and hardness ability to attain high strength in the heat treatment condition. Good fatigue resistance, shock and impact resistance, wear and abrasive resistance. Excellent choice for highly stressed parts. Fracture toughness increase with increased test temperature. Can be machined by all customary methods referred to as aircraft quality steel. So here are the possible methods for manufacturing of semi product. First is casting. Casting involves being the metal alloy which will be used until it is molten and poured the molten metal alloy into sprue. Sprue are connected to runners. The molten metal alloy fills the mold and vents through riser. After solidification of metal, casting is separated. So advantages of casting are low cost, tight dimensional accuracy. Disadvantages of casting are low strength characteristics, porosity. Second is forging. Forging involves heating a piece of her stock or rod stock to a forging temperature. The heating forged sludge using a forging press or forging hammer with multiple impact. The part is then machined to finished dimensions. Third is power metal manufacturing. This involves planning a mixture of metal powered into a perfect performed die and then compressed powered. The perform is then centered to chemically bond the powder in the platform and then perform is then heated and forged in a press. Advantages of power heating is high tolerance, good surface finish, uniform material composition. Disadvantages of power heating is high cost of power metal technology, low tensile and impact strength. So here is the casting process in detail. Manufacturing product. Manufacturing of product. Manufacturing takes place in three steps. Step 1 is annealing. In annealing, induction heater is used for preheating the perform for forging. It will be also used for annealing. Annealing railings the internal molecular structure to make the metal stronger, which enables the steel with excellent durability. Step 2, 5-axis VMC vertical milling center. The machine is ideally suited for connecting rod manufacturing as all machining operation can be completed in one machine, and the rotating table provides a variety of clamping methods so that multiple operations can be done in one process, such as face milling, boring, drilling, contouring, clamping, etc. Step 3, post machining operation. After machining is completed, the bearing end cap is separated from the rod part using fracture, splitting, and then assembled with tools and bearings in the rotary table assembly machine. Cleaning, inspection, and packing. Connecting rods are thoroughly cleaned and degreased by using suitable means. Fully automatic machines are used, and then components are oven dried and checked for proper cleaning. Next inspection is done are grand are graded. Final product is packed and dispatched. So here are quality consideration during product making. The main quality during connecting rod is strength of sand is high. Maintain permeability in size of sand grains. The content in the molten alloy must be up to standard. Cooling rate must be standard. Thermal stability of mold should be high. Sand should reusable for next mold. Possible defects during the production. If the thermal stability is low, then mold may be cracked due to the molten metal. If the thermal stability is low, then mold may be cracked due to molten metal. Composition of sand is low. Casting would not be able to shrink and will end with cracking. If molten alloy is not up to standard, it will be failure in high running condition. If molten alloy is not up to standard, it will be the failure in high running condition. If riser gets solidified before other part of casting, it would give a engine block with less strength, etc. Next is function of connecting rod. A connecting rod is a part of piston engine which connects the piston to the crankshaft. A connecting rod is convert the linear motion of piston into the rotary motion of the crankshaft. Here are outcomes of this project. Familiar with the casting process, learn about the precautions which will be taken during casting process. Knowledge about the manufacturing process of connecting rod. Every component needs a standard combination of metals for their lifelong use. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.